Welcome. Today we're going to step into the chaos of your life and rise above this. You have a mess. The demands of life and the endless piles and piles of work, dishes, laundry, they're never ending. But today we're going to show you its noise. And we're going to step out of that noise and into the light. So get comfortable, sit down, lie down, whatever feels best. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Let your body relax with each breath in and out. Feel yourself grounding in this moment. These rooms are beautiful. I want you to visualize yourself in these spaces. The truth is, your mess has no power over you. These obstacles, they're not real. You just need some Febreze. You need to take a deep breath in and let it out. Clean with some generic cleaner or hire someone else to do it, but it will get done. And if it doesn't, just close your eyes and it'll all go away. Deep breath in. This is not your burden. You don't have to fix this. You don't have to fix this right now. And you don't have to stay. You can walk away. And in walking away, you reclaim your peace. Step 1. Did I say that? Walk away. You don't have to be everything to everyone. Deep breath in and out. Let it all go. Let the pressure, the stress, the guilt, give it away. Put it in an envelope and seal it. Shoot it off in a text. Let a carrier pigeon take it. Because it's no longer yours. You can leave it behind. It no longer belongs to you. Step 3. Step 2 and 3. Step into that lovely, cozy bed and take a sip of tea. There's something powerful in you, in letting go and curling up under the sheets. Feel that inner glow from within. You're moving closer and closer to some sweet dreams. Walk out the door. If nothing else works, walk out the door and just take off. Keep running because you look beautiful. Yeah. And as a last resort, that could be your home. So you can't take it with you. So let it go. Take one last deep breath in and out.